What's up YouTube? My name is Andres Restrepo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a market update. We are in June 2024 and I think it's a really good time to recap and let you guys understand what is happening here in San Francisco. The spring selling season usually starts to come to a close about end of June and we are approaching that timeline. So without further ado, let's jump right in. In this segment, we'll start with single family homes. So year over year growth for single family homes is up 6.6%. In May of 2023, the median price was $1,618,000 and we are currently sitting at $1,725,000. About 74.6% of single family homes are selling above asking, which is an increase of about 21.2%. Last year, during the same time, we were seeing 61% of single family homes sell above asking. The median days on market is also trending down. We went from 14 days on market to now 13 days on market. And single family homes are selling on average 11.5% above asking, where last year we were seeing single family homes sell just 6.5% above asking. Now, for those of you that might be a little unfamiliar with the San Francisco real estate market, it is important to note that underpricing is a common strategy in the city, where listing agents deploy this strategy in an effort to get multiple parties interested in the home, set an offer date, and receive multiple offers. So an effective method, generally speaking, when we do represent sellers, depending on the property type, of course, and the condition, amongst other things, we would advise to list the property a little bit lower than market price and let the market take it to where it needs to go. Moving right on over to condos. So condos did see a decline of 1.5% year over year. The median price condo currently in San Francisco is sitting at $1,132,000. In May of 2023, the median price for a condo was $1.15 million. Around 40% of condos are selling above asking, and that is an increase year over year of 8.4%. Last May, we were seeing 36.9% of condos sell above asking. Now, on the flip side, the median days are actually starting to also trend down for these property types. Currently, the median days on market for condos is 30 days, and in May of last year, there were 32 days on market. Now again, this is a June market report, and the reason that I'm giving you May data is because we don't look at market data on a particular month unless the full month has completed, and I'm shooting this video on June 25th. So this is all going to be lagging data as real estate data typically is. So condos right now are selling at around value, right? So whatever they're priced at, that's typically what they sell for. Where last year they were selling 1.7% below what they were priced at. So we are seeing a 1.7% increase year over year. I wanted to share a few more important data points with you. And if you guys are ever interested in checking out our full market reports, which we drop every single month, just make sure to shoot me an email. My information is below, and I'd be happy to send that to you on a monthly basis so you stay up to date on what is happening here in San Francisco. So the number of listings going into contract right now are the highest since 2022. The May 2024 count was up 10% year over year. So what is this telling us right now? Buyers are transacting, buyers are in the marketplace, they're pulling triggers, and they're buying houses. Everything in the macroeconomic environment is pointing towards a competitive market, and reason being is we're seeing a drop in inflation rates, and we're also seeing the stock market rally. Now, during the market months, it is important to note that the market really quiets down considerably. Most of the people that can't afford to take their properties off the market and relist in the fall do that. But the ones that stay on the market during the summer months are generally pretty motivated folks. So if you are a buyer, I definitely encourage you to get out there, because if you're shopping for a deal, this is probably one of the best times of year to do that, because again, the folks that are on the market essentially have their hand raised and saying, I need to sell now, I need to sell ASAP, so bring me an offer. Now, the number of sales in May rose 16% year over year. 47% of those were houses and 53% of those were condos and TICs. Overbidding is a good indication of how competitive the environment is at any given time. For May, 62% of properties experienced this, which was higher than any time last year, in 2023. We've had the opportunity to represent about 10 parties so far this year, and the feedback has kind of been mixed across the board. We've recently helped an awesome family get a single family home in the Mission. They were looking for a very turnkey property, and they did experience a lot of competition and overbidding. You have to keep in mind that if you're a buyer here in San Francisco looking for a single family home, that's generally going to be the most competitive segment in the market. However, if you're looking at condos, I think it's a really good opportunity to start scoring some deals, especially in District 9, which is going to be the segment of the market that has the highest concentration of condos, and that's going to be neighborhoods like Mission Bay, Dogpatch, Potrero Hill, South Beach, Yerba Buena, Soma, where a lot of the times we're seeing that some of those properties are trading at the same price today in 2024 as they were trading maybe in 2017, even 2016 in some cases. So if you are a buyer out there looking to score a deal, I would definitely encourage you to look at condos. But with that said, single families are still trading about 15% below what the all-time high was back in 2022. All right, I'm gonna keep this video short. I wanna wrap this up. I hope you guys found value from this content. If you have any questions about what is happening here in the real estate market, make sure to send me an email or just shoot me a comment down below. Would love to hear your take on what you're seeing. And if you're looking for an agent to help you navigate the San Francisco real estate market, as always, feel free to reach out. Would love to work with you. Thanks again for watching the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.